how to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams. So if you want to create a meeting in Microsoft Teams, then what you need to do is first you just need to simply open up your Microsoft Teams application. After opening your Microsoft Teams application, if you want to create a meeting, then you just need to simply go with Meet, which is here on the left side, and here go with create a meeting link, and after that go with create and copy link, and your meeting has been created. Now you can just simply go with join, which is right here, in order to join a meeting that you've just created. Or if you want to invite your friends, then you can just simply go with share link, or you've already copied the link, right? You can go with your Messenger, WhatsApp, and any other interface. And once you're on your interface, you can just simply go with messages and paste the link. After pasting the link, you can go with send or enter, and if the other person taps on that link, they will be joined to that meeting. So that's how you can create a meeting on Microsoft Teams. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.